Good morning everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to delve into some comprehensive methods for investigating financial crimes and tracking illicit funds. Our focus will be on how conversion techniques, public records, internet resources, and net worth analysis can be powerful tools in detecting and prosecuting fraud. This presentation will provide valuable insights into these investigative strategies that are crucial in tackling financial wrongdoing effectively. Let's get started. When dealing with conversion investigation methods, it's important to recognize that perpetrators use these techniques to hide the origins of stolen funds. They convert the money into different assets or expenses, making it much harder to trace back to the crime. Common ways they do this include buying luxury items, investing in real estate, or putting money into various financial investments. These are straightforward examples, but often, the schemes behind these transactions can be quite complex. For financial investigators, understanding these conversion methods is crucial. It allows them to follow the trail of money, uncover assets that might be hidden, and ultimately build strong cases by linking illegal gains to actual, traceable evidence. This knowledge is key to dismantling these illicit operations effectively. Tracking stolen money plays a vital role in several key areas. Firstly, it helps recover assets that have been illegally taken, and it also creates connections between suspects and the criminal activities they're involved in, which is crucial for building strong prosecution cases. Another important aspect is preventing the dissipation of assets. By acting quickly and thoroughly, we can stop stolen funds from being lost or spent beyond recovery. Moreover, tracking ensures financial accountability by maintaining a clear and transparent record of all transactions related to the stolen money. This transparency is essential for understanding the full scale of the criminal conduct involved in these financial crimes. Ultimately, effective tracking is necessary for achieving justice, as it empowers law enforcement to recover stolen assets and present compelling evidence against offenders. Finally, the very process of tracking and prosecuting stolen funds acts as a deterrent, signaling to potential criminals that these crimes will be closely monitored and punished. This comprehensive approach is key to protecting our financial systems and upholding the rule of law. Public records from federal, state, and local levels are essential tools in financial investigations. They provide a detailed financial trail, showing who owns property, what business interests are involved, as well as transactions and any liens on assets. Investigators rely on these records to verify financial claims, ensuring the information presented is accurate and truthful. Additionally, public records are vital for tracing asset transfers, helping to uncover the movement of funds or property. Importantly, they also play a crucial role in detecting suspicious activities, such as potential money laundering or fraud, by revealing patterns or inconsistencies that warrant further scrutiny. Let's take a closer look at the different types of public records and how they are categorized by federal, state, and local levels. Starting with federal records, these include tax filings, bankruptcy filings, court judgments, and SEC filings. These documents provide us with detailed information about financial disclosures and the outcomes of legal cases, offering valuable insights into an individual's or company's financial and legal status. Moving on to state records, these encompass business registrations, property deeds, vehicle titles, and professional licenses. These types of records are crucial because they disclose ownership details and asset holdings, helping us understand who legally owns what and the standing of various enterprises within the state. Finally, local records include county assessor records, local court documents, and permit filings. These records are especially useful for confirming property values, tracking transaction dates, and verifying local legal activities. Together, these three categories paint a comprehensive picture of public access to important information at different levels of government. When conducting investigations, accessing information online is crucial. Investigators rely heavily on government portals, financial regulatory websites, and online public record repositories to gather essential data. Key sources include the IRS, the SEC, State Secretary of State websites, and property tax databases, all of which offer current and verifiable information. This online access significantly boosts efficiency, allowing investigators to collect financial details from multiple jurisdictions quickly and accurately. Overall, the wide range of internet-based tools and platforms ensures a more thorough and effective investigative process. When searching the internet effectively, the first step is to clearly define your keywords. Having specific, well-chosen keywords will guide your search and get you more relevant results. Next, using advanced search operators, like putting phrases in quotes or using site-specific searches, can narrow down your results significantly and save time. It's also important to leverage specialized databases when available, as they often contain more detailed or specific information than a general search engine can provide. Additionally, applying filters such as setting date ranges or creating alerts helps you stay updated with the latest information, while verifying the credibility of your sources ensures the reliability of what you find. Finally, combining these different strategies together greatly improves your chances of uncovering hidden financial information, especially when working on detailed investigations. Here, we focus on the essential online databases that are invaluable for financial tracking. First, Pacer provides access to federal court records, helping us uncover any legal actions involving the parties of interest. Then, LexisNexis and Westlaw are powerful tools that offer comprehensive legal and financial data, allowing for in-depth research across a wide range of records. We also rely on state-specific property and business registries, which can reveal ownership details and business connections. Additionally, financial regulatory databases like FINRA BrokerCheck help us verify the credentials and disciplinary history of financial professionals. Together, these resources enable us to thoroughly examine court actions, trace asset ownership, review prior criminal history, and identify business affiliations linked to suspicious financial activity. This approach is crucial for building a complete picture in any financial investigation. Let's walk through the net worth calculation method step by step. First, we start by determining the individual's net worth at the beginning of the period. This gives us a baseline to work from. Next, we add any legitimate income they earned and any assets they acquired during that time. Then, we subtract all known expenses and liabilities to get a clear picture of their financial activity. Finally, we compare this calculated figure with their ending net worth. If there's a difference between the two, it could indicate unreported income or even fraudulent activity. This method provides a practical way to identify hidden assets by highlighting discrepancies in their financial records. When we apply net worth calculations to detect fraudulent income, the first thing to note is that net worth can uncover inconsistencies in declared income. Essentially, if someone's net worth increases more than their reported income would justify, that's a red flag. Next, acquiring assets or paying down debt without a clear explanation often points to illicit funds. These unusual financial moves are key indicators. Investigators rely heavily on these signs to identify suspicious activity. By linking these indicators with other pieces of evidence, they can build stronger cases by showing there's wealth growth that can't be accounted for through legitimate means. This approach is crucial in exposing hidden income and fraudulent financial behavior. When interviewing suspects, one of the key strategies is to identify any discrepancies in their net worth. By presenting these inconsistencies directly, we can encourage suspects to provide explanations or even admissions. It's important to use clear and straightforward financial comparisons during these interviews, so the suspect fully understands the evidence and can't easily dismiss it. We should pay special attention to any large, unexplained increases in their net worth and ask for clarification on these points. This approach applies pressure based on concrete facts, making it harder for suspects to maintain false narratives and often leads to valuable information or reveals contradictions in their statements. To sum up, conversion investigations are all about tracking how stolen funds are moved and changed, which is crucial to understanding the bigger picture. Using public records from various government levels and online databases gives us important financial information that we might not get elsewhere. Being skilled at internet searching is essential because it makes accessing these resources much easier and more effective. One key method we rely on is the net worth calculation, which helps us spot fraudulent income and provides valuable support during suspect interviews. Altogether, these techniques create a strong, comprehensive approach that helps uncover illegal financial activities and ultimately supports successful prosecutions.